Hello, Danielle with Vantage, and we're back to talk about hierarchical budgets. This feature allows you to roll up and report on various budgets in an organizational fashion, as well as drill down and see individual team budgets. So what is a hierarchical budget exactly? Consider the following example. We have an engineering organization with two child departments, development and infrastructure. Underneath the development department, we have two projects, front-end redesign and back-end refactor. Underneath the infrastructure department, I also have two projects. Each of these projects has a specific designated budget, and these budgets roll up to form the budget for the whole department and eventually the budget for the whole organization. Note here that amounts have been defined for specific budget periods for each project. So I might have some budget allocated during 1 month for a project, but no budget allocated during another month for that same project. In Vantage, I can create this structure with hierarchical budgets. You can create the budgets directly in the user interface, or I can upload a CSV file with my budget structure indicating which budget is the parent for a child budget, what budget period exists for a given budget, and what amount is budgeted for each period. If I use this CSV import method, Vantage gives me a clear view of what I'm uploading and provides guidance on any import errors. Once the hierarchy is uploaded into the system, I can assign my child budgets to cost reports to track performance. Now, if I want to track my hierarchical budget over time, I can head over to this Performance tab. Notice for the top-level engineering org, I can see the budgeted versus actual spend for each child budget directly under the organization. This gives me a good view of how I'm trending for this budget over time. I can also review the budget hierarchy and get an idea of how I'm doing overall with my cumulative budget and actual spend for the month. I can drill down into individual budgets and traverse this hierarchy to see how I'm doing for each department and subsequently each project. Vantage also provides breadcrumb navigation that helps you get back to the top-level budget. And if you want to be alerted before you exceed a specific budget, you can set budget alerts. Alerts can be set for the cumulative parent budget or for individual child budgets, depending on your scope and preference. Create hierarchical budgets to get a clear, organized view of your organization's costs and stay in control of your spending at every level. Check out the documentation for details on how to get started.